Hey guys, it's Ren here, and welcome back to a brand new video where today I'll be showing you guys how to record your screen for absolutely free using a free software called OBS Studio. Before this video starts, I would like you guys to subscribe to my channel because that would really help me out. Also, please make sure to leave a like on this video. If we can hit 5 likes, that would be much appreciated. Anyway guys, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do before even starting this tutorial is download OBS Studio, which is the application the tutorial's on. You can download it from Mac or Linux or Windows. I'm going to do it on Windows because that's what I have. Press the download installer and then download it like any other app. If you already have it downloaded, you can skip this step, but once you have it downloaded, I want you to open up OBS Studio right here. As you can see, I'm using this to record my screen. No lag, it's absolutely great software. I recommend it to everybody. This is what the tutorial's on, by the way. So yeah, go over to Scenes, right click, press Add, and then you can add another scene. I'm going to name this one Test, and then press OK. And you should have a black screen if you have Preview enabled. Before we add any sources, let's go over to Settings right here. So tap the Settings, and these are the settings I use. Perfect settings, no lag. It's pretty good settings, so make sure you stick around for this. Language, you can select any language you want. I have English on. Theme, I think the dark theme is probably the best one to look at, in my personal opinion, but you can fool around with that. And every single thing below those, just leave default. Those are fine default. So yeah, go over to Stream. We don't need to go over to Stream, nothing. And now we need to go to Output, so go to Output Mode, Advanced, Recording tab, and then the type, use Standard right here. Recording path, you can like have it at any single path you want. I have it on my desktop. It's just easy for me to do. And generate files without space, you can leave that unchecked. Recording format, press MP4, audio track 1. Encoder, you can use an NVIDIA graphics card if you have one. I do not have one, so I cannot use NVIDIA. I cannot use the NVIDIA graphics card, so go to encoder, X264. Rescale output, you can have your output rescaled at anything you want. I'm going to have 9 at 1920 by 1080. Custom mixer settings, you can leave that blank. There's like a warning here for MP4 files, of course. I mean, just don't pay attention to that. Alright, rate control, you can go to bitrate. Rate control's VBR, bitrate is 35,000. Sorry I'm going too fast, guys. If I'm going too fast, just let me know in the comments, but make sure you have your CRF at 23, keyframe interval at 2. CPU usage, somewhere in between very fast and fast is definitely the way to go. My CPU is not that powerful, so I go on fast. Profile high, and then 2 none, should be good, and then press apply. And now let's go down to audio. So I don't record audio with this application, so you can of course fool around with all this, but I'm just going to go over the basics. Channel stereo, make sure you select your regular speakers that you use as well as your regular mic that you use. However, with literally everything, I do not know anything about the audio tabs in OBS because I don't use this for audio recording. I use Audacity instead. So yeah, go over to video now once you've fooled around with the audio. Make sure these two, the bass and output are the same as the rescaled output from before. 1920 by 1080 for me. Common, you can do the FPS, you can change frames per second. I have mine on 30, however, if you're doing like gameplay, I recommend 60. Now let's go on hotkeys, and this is optional, of course. However, I think these are pretty good. These are like pretty awesome to have because you don't have to go through a bunch of tabs. So now we go through advanced right here, and basically you can leave everything else on default. You can fool around with it, of course. However, to get no lag whatsoever, I don't fool around with this. Now press OK, and as you can see now, we have our good settings. Now press Add, and then Display Capture, which is screen recording, and then I'm going to name mine Screen. So then press OK, and as you can see, there is my first monitor being displayed right there. No lag whatsoever. As you can see, my mouse cursor move around. Yeah, as you can see, I only have one monitor right now because I am away from my second monitor. But yeah, so basically, you have your display, and press OK, and as you can see, you have your screen recorded, so all you have to do now is press the start recording button. But anyway, that is how you record your screen using OBS Studio. Anyway guys, that's going to be the end of today's video, and I hope you did enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.